going on, guys? It's me, Scannerman here, back again with another video for you guys, and I am very proud to bring you the build log for my main gaming PC. As you can see, I've got all the parts laid out in front of me. I'm just going to go over a couple of them. Now, the last ones arrived today, which were the wireless PCIe card and my 8GB of Kingston HyperX Beast RAM. So the case, as you know, I've got Factory Design Define R4, titanium grey windowed version. For the motherboard, I've got a Asus Maximus 6 Hero, and for the power, no, it's not there. For the core, for the processor, I've got the Intel Core i7-4770K, Corsair CS750M power supply, Asus GTX 770 DirectCU2, Cooler Master Sidon 240M, Asus disk drive, a WD 1TB blue, a OCZ Agility 3 SSD, some couple case fans, and plus the other ones inside the case. So yeah, I also got this thing over here, which is, I bought this, it's a Casa fan thing which I will be using, and it looks really sprawly, but yeah, anyway. So, without further ado guys, let's get on with the build log. And guys, about a week and a half on, the system is up and running. Don't underestimate it by that pathetic little pedestal it's sat on. It's just because it doesn't fit under my desk because it's a bit big. But the system is finally built and up and running. As you can see it there, I'm doing a bit of work in Camtasia at the moment. It's playing back through the video that I've edited. This very video that you're watching, this will be part of it, so you'll be seeing this after this time-lapse bit. I think the time-lapse is pretty cool, there's music with it too as well. But the system, as it's got the 4770K in it, the i7, a GTX 770. I've put some games on it, and gaming wise, it is absolutely fantastic. It is a beast. I love it. Plus, coupled with my G27 and everything, it just makes for a really nice gaming experience. This is going to be rendered at 1080p as well, so it should look pretty good, and it goes along nicely with my broken pair of Rock Cat caves. But yeah, so I got all my stuff stuck out the back. You can't really see that very well. I'll bring you in for a closer look at the actual system itself. I know you can't see that very well, but at least you're going to get a good look at it. So I'm really happy now because I'm going to be able to bring you high quality videos now, plus a lot more YouTube gameplay videos too. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if the music was a bit tedious in the thing, but I just really couldn't be. Yeah, but I hope it's alright. I kind of like the music, but anyway. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Keep your eyes on that channel as always. I will be posting a lot more content hopefully soon. I am going to my sister's, so I'll be using BT fibre optic broadband. So yeah, thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep your eyes peeled. Bye bye.